Hey guys, welcome to another amazing tutorial here. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful seamless repeat fabric using AI tool in CLO 3D. Believe it or not, we can create multiple fabric. This one here, I'm creating chiffon to silk and lace fabric using this AI tool in CLO 3D. I will also share with you the best two options on how to save this fabric for your future use. Are you ready? Let's get to it. It's super cool, guys. I'm going to show you how to create many type of fabrics, okay? So first of all, if you want to apply the fabric texture that you created onto this garment, be sure to open your garment and then come over here to the fabric, click on that, and then come down here to property editor, and we want to click on the magic one right here. So by default, I have my fabric generated earlier, so we're going to select a new one here. So for example, I have fabric type here, chiffon. I'm going to change that here to something different. Let's say denim. And over here, content type, I'm going to change that from art to print. And we want to select any one of these. For example, let's select camouflage, okay? And then pattern size, I can increase that to 4 if I wanted to. However, though, I'm going to change it back to 2. No worry, guys, if the fabric texture is too little, we can scale it in CLO. I will show you how to do that. So next here, we have text prompt. We can simply create any text prompt we want. You do not have to create a long prompt. Short one is better. So right here I have, for example, black and red roses. And over here I have random prompt. If I click on that random prompt button right there, it actually generates random prompt for me. Right here, animal pose croaky. And right here under art is croaky. How about let's give that a try. I'm going to click on generate here to generate. Alright, so the color itself, I feel like it's kind of a little bit flat for me. I want something more colorful. However though, let's click on apply here to see what it looks like first. Alright, here we go. So this is the seamless repeat fabric that we just created, and we apply that onto this dress. Okay, so next let's come over here and try something different. So right now I'm here in denim, and then content type, I'm going to change that to print this time. And then select right here, maybe somewhat camouflage. After that, I'm going to change this to, let's say, birds and forest, okay? And then click on generate. Okay, so the color is much better. So as you can see right here, I only put birds and forest and give me this green, white flower with these birds. So right now I'm going to click on apply here to see what it looks like. All right, so actually look pretty good, guys. And by the way, this fabric texture here is seamless repeat. All right, let's close this and I'm going to show you how to scale the fabric. So if you guys new to CLO, in CLO 3D we have this edit texture tool. Click on that and then click one on this fabric and come over here to this gizmo right here. You can drag it up to the right to scale it, the pattern bigger, and then drag it down to the left here. You can scale the pattern smaller. And next you can also rotate this as well. Let's say if I want to rotate this to a different angle, I can just click, drag, and rotate just like that. It's perfect. I'm going to drag it back here to rotate it back to where it was, so I can apply more fabric onto it later. Here, this is pretty good result for the generated AI tool guy in CLO 3D. And now let's try something different. I kind of like this though. Let's save this one for later. So to save the fabric, we're going to come over here and come to the property editor. Be sure you're on that fabric though. And come over here to the property editor and then click on the save icon here. And right here we have save fabric. So you can select texture image only or add custom image. I'm going to select add custom image, simply pressing on command shift plus number 4, and then I'm going to just snapshot this right here just like that. And now I'm going to click on the plus sign here to access that photo that I just captured, and right here I'm going to select that photo right now and then click open, and there it is. After that I'm going to click on OK to confirm. So here I'm going to name this Rose Birds Dress. And then navigate to my folder. In this case, is desktop, perfect, and I'm going to click on save. So the question is, how can we bring that fabric back into CLO? Okay, we have two options. Either bring it over here, click on the plus sign, and then add the fabric that way, or let me cancel that. Or you can come over here and then add the fabric. So right here, this folder over here, we have this open fabric folder. Let's say if I want to open that fabric, click on that, and then navigate to my fabric, click on that fabric, and then click on open. And there it is. That's the fabric that we have earlier. Alright, so next we are going to simply create some more fabric. To do so, once again, in this case, let's say I like that fabric a lot. I'm going to add another fabric here, okay? And then I'm going to marquee select this pattern and then click assign here on the fabric to assign a new fabric. After that, I will click on that new fabric there and come down here to that magic one once again. And this time we're going to generate something a little different here. So instead of print, let's change that to art and then select cartoon. All right. And birds and forest, how about change that to, let's say, unicorn and forest. How about that? After that, I'm going to select generate here. And we're going to wait for the AI tool generate the texture for us. Okay, so as you see right here, we have unicorn, we have forest, and we also have some planet and so on. Let's click on apply here. All right, and let's zoom in a little. So right now, it has some sort of mark here that I don't really like that mark there. It doesn't seem like perfect. What we can do here, click on generate one more time and then see what it can come up with. Although I really love the color though. It is colorful and I love the fact that you can see the brightness star. Ooh, look at that. Let's click on apply once again and see what it looks like. Wow, I like this one a lot. Again, it's still not perfect. Some print is still missing and so on. However though, let's change to something else a little bit different here. How about, let's go with rose or red, roses and forest. Let's click on generate one more time and let's see what it can come up with. Ooh, look at that. I'm going to click on apply here. And once again, the roses looks great. Also come with the prints guy. Let's say, I don't like that print. Let's click on generate once again here to generate. See what it can create or it remove the prints because I kind of like just roses. So as you can see right here, we can create many different kind of fabric in a matter of a second, guys. Let's click on apply once again. All right, so I felt like just a little bit too much green here. So let's try something else. Unicorn with roses, how about that? And then click on generate. Ooh, I'm going to click on apply here. So it getting kind of closer and closer to what I wanted. So as you can see right here, I love the print. This is amazing. So by the way, guys, this is denim, art, and cartoon. So again, it's not yet perfect. We still give a few try before it's come up exactly or close to what I imagined for the seamless repeat texture. All right, so next, let's also save this one too. I'm going to close this one for now. So let's say I love these two of the fabric that I create so far, but I don't want to have to save it one by one. This is what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to create several swatches, okay? And click one right here. Let's type in, how about 15 by 15, and then create it maybe 4 or 5, and then click on OK. We want 5 swatches, and I'm going to apply the fabric onto these swatches. So this is another way of saving this fabric. When you want to save multiple fabric in one, you simply create swatches and then save it with the project. So when you open the project, this fabric will be there. So let me click one on the transform pattern tool, click one on the page to deselect. So I'm going to simply bring them down a little here. Let's assign this fabric here with this one here. So I'm going to click on the assign button right here to assign the fabric. Now this one is with this one, that is perfect. So far we have 2 fabrics that we create earlier. So another tip that I want to point out here, guys, when we generate the beautiful seamless repeat fabric, we also generate this map here. We have normal map, this pleasant map, and so on. However though, we need to apply the physical property to each fabric to create any fabric we want. So for this example, if I want to, let's say, create silk fabric, okay? So I can come over here and then click on the fabric here and then click on this search box and then type in silk and then press on return enter on the keyboard, and I have the silk chamois. I can simply drag and drop and place it right here, okay? Then my key selects the pattern and assign this new fabric to it. So if I click on that fabric right there and then come down here, as you can see right here, this physical property now right now is silk chamois. So all we need to do here, come down here to that magic wand once again, click on that, and then click on apply to that fabric. Now we have the fabric property as well as the texture map. Okay, I'm going to click on close here. So that's how we can apply not only the texture map onto this fabric, but we also apply the physical property onto the fabric. However though, we're not finished yet though. I want to show you a couple more fabric that we can generate here in CLO. Actually, it's endless, guys. So let's click on that fabric. So be sure you are on that fabric though to create any fabric. So right now we have silk. Oh, another thing, we can also change here from fabric matte to silk and sateen here to create this silk fabric look. Okay, I'm going to press on number 2 here. As you can see right here, we have the perfect silk effects fabric onto this fabric texture that we just created using AI tool in CLO 3D. All right, so now let's go to different type of fabric. So far we create silk, we create denim. Let's go for two more. How about that? Lace and chiffon. So right now I'm here on the fabric. Come down here to that magic wand tools again. And so right now we can leave the prompt as is, or we can change the prompt if we want to. However, though we want to change this fabric type, I'm going to click on the twirling arrow here and then scroll down. Let's say we want to find chiffon, okay? And I'm going to click on generate here. Okay, after that, I'm going to click on apply here to apply, and voila, as you can see right here, now we have chiffon. This is super cute. Even though I type in unicorn with roses, it's created more like this kitty cat, and you can see this transparent chiffon fabric perfectly. So let's say I love the fabric. I'm going to save the fabric as well. Simply close that for now and then come over here. We want to click on the swatch here and then click on this assign fabric right there, just like that. Now we create a total of 3 fabrics. Next, we are going to create more fabric. Let's go to lace this time. So I'm going to click on this fabric right here, and I can either create another one, or if I want the same fabric property, I can simply click on copy here to create it, or I can select add here, though you can add a different property afterward, how you like. I'm going to delete this one here because I like the fabric property for now, and I'm going to click on that fabric and come down here to this magic one once again, guys. It's so much fun. So now instead of chiffon, we want to find lace, okay? So lace right here, and art, cartoon. I think I'm going to stick with that for now, and then click on generate once again. Okay, so this is lace. As you can see right here, now we have totally different unicorns and roses. So I'm going to click on apply here. First of all, when I click on apply, I do not see the dresses pattern change at all because I was on the wrong fabric. So I'm going to close this for now and then come back over here. My key selected is, and then I'm going to click on assign here. And now we just apply this beautiful lace fabric onto this dress. So as you can see right here, now we have this lace fabric feel and look. If we zoom in closely right here, this is knit fabric texture. So right now I have this beautiful lace, and I'm going to save that one as well. Simply come over here, and let's see, we have 3. Let's click on this one right here to assign the fabric to. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How about let's create one more fabric just for fun. We are going to simply make a copy of that fabric right there, and this time we are going to apply that new fabric onto it, and then be sure you're on that fabric, and then come over here to that magic one once again, and this time I'm going to let's change that to maybe jersey. How about that? Click on jersey and then click on generate. All right, so I'm going to click on apply here, and there you go. So the unicorn here is kind of mix and match. I kind of like to create another one. Simply come back and then click on generate once again and see what the AI tool can come up with. Oh wow, I love the prints right now. It's so colorful. I'm going to click on apply here. This is much better unicorn. I love this print. Let's say I love the print, okay? Once again, I'm going to save that print. Simply close this and then come over here, click on this right here, and then click on assign fabric. So now we have 5 swatches. Finally, the last option that I'm going to show you how to save the fabric. So this is simple, guys. If we want to save the fabric, all we need to do here, simply save the project. If I click on file here and then go to save as and then save project, and this time I'm going to name 5 fabrics with address, and I'm going to save it in my desktop here, and I'm going to copy that name here because I like to create a new folder, then paste on it. Now I have 5 fabric with address, and click on create and then click on save here. So now let's say I'm done with this project. I'm going to go to file here and then click on new project. I'm going to close this project, okay? And then I'm going to open the project that we saved earlier. So go to file and then select open and then projects. And this time right here, this is the project we saved earlier. Click on it to select, then click on open. And there it is. Now we not only have the perfect seamless repeat fabric texture, we also have 5 of them. We can play with this print as much as you want. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And remember to follow me on Encoder Fashion for more awesome pro tips like this. Bye! See you next video!